Hello, welcome. Episode number 39, still on momentum and impulse. An object of mass 12 kg was thrown with a velocity of 4I plus 3j meter per second. If the final velocity of the body was negative 5j plus 5I plus 2j meter per second, we have to find, correct to two decimal places, the magnitude of the change in momentum of the body. So the parameter mentioned here is what? Momentum, change in momentum. So we have change in momentum. This is going to be equals to the m times v minus what? U. So if that is what we have, from the equation we know the mass of the body, then we can also say that the mass of the body is 12 kg. The initial velocity is what we have as 4I plus what? 3j. This is giving us 4 on the x-axis, 3 on the y-axis. Then we can also have our final velocity as negative 5I, 2j, still with the unit of measurement, which is the same as negative 5 on the x-axis, then 2 on what? The y-axis. So we can make use of that by substitution. The mass, still using change in momentum, which is going to be equals to the mass of the body times the final velocity. Let me take it this way. The final velocity is negative 5 and 2 minus initial velocity of 4 and 3. So these still become 12. Now multiply by negative 5 minus 4 will give you negative 9. 2 minus 3 will give you negative 1. If we multiply, we have negative, that will be negative 108, then negative what? 12. This is showing the change in what? Momentum. But you're looking for magnitude. Remember, if you are looking for magnitude, it is the square root of the x squared term as the coordinate plus the y coordinate. So I have the root of negative 108 all square plus negative 12 all square. Let's put this together still in the calculator. Negative times negative is positive, hence 108 times 108 will give you 1166 what? 4 plus 144. Let's say we still have this to add. Let's add them together. Plus 144. That will be 11808. Let's put that in a calculator under a square root. 11808 will give you 108.66 what? 5. But we are looking for one decimal place. I see two decimal places, right? Two decimal places. So I have 108.67 kilogram meter per what? Seconds. I guess this will be the final representation of the momentum, change of momentum as a magnitude. All right, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for more.